Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Welcome to the lesson. It is workshop planning, but I'm going to take you through principle of workshop planning. So, in the first slide, it entails the a properly designed workshop should be able to meet the objectives, provide comfort for user and operators, e.g., the teacher and the students, be economical in operation, be convenient for instruction, be flexible for present and future use, allow for supervision, allow for expansion, utilize space the best way possible, and be a safe building. Have you understood, class?
Yes.
So we go to the next slide, and it's the continuation of the principles. So it should meet the objectives. Sorry, that's the previous slide. I'm taking you through the one. For better utilization of space, to prevent accidents, to increase the standard of efficiency in the shop, help know the number of equipments, that is the machines and the tools, supply information before construction, locate equipments at the best areas, and provide clear isle area for students, that is user to move about freely, have better working conditions than the previous experience. So we go to the next slide, that is where workshop planning is required. Yes, Kipchumba, can you read for us?
Okay. Workshop planning is required in a new space, in an existing space, where there is change in operation, e.g., trade or subject, where there is increase of students, if there is change in the national policy, when where there is diversification of machine, and where there are infectious disease outbreaks, e.g., COVID-19.
Yes, thank you, Kipchumba. I see you are alert. So, as for what he has read, where workshop planning is required, this is the places that is suitable for workshop planning. So, first he said in a new space, the second one in an existing space. So, as you can see, the way it has been explained, where this change in operation, e.g., the trade or subject, where there is increase in number of students, where there is change in the national policy, where there is diversification of machine, that is not one machine, a number of machines. Then when there are infectious diseases outbreak, e.g., for example, recently when COVID-19 hit the education sector, is after that we are going to the other slide. That is the principle of institution workshop planning. Designing considers many aspects such as physical design aspect of the workshop, evolution of education over the years, current technology, and expansion plan for future growth. So basically that was the end of the first part of the lesson, which entailed the principle of workshop planning it has we have learned. Let's continue the lesson. That is, the layout of an institution workshop may be arranged in different ways. Basically, uh, the layout of a fashion construction workshop is different from that of building and construction, because the machines are way much different, the arrangement of machines and the usage of machines. So it may emulate a commercial or small factory setup depending on the course syllabus. Balance of the student and technical assistant and staff. Some institutions may allow students to have their own workstation and pin boards, while others take an open plan approach. So we are going to the next slide. And I'm going to suggest Kipchumba to read only the school personal to the prophet. Kindly.
Okay. The school persona of prophet. That is how the institution wants it to be viewed by the community. The purpose of the school serves and its ultimate educational goal. The types and ages of the students who will be educated in the facility. The teaching philosophy and curriculum will the school employ.
Thank you very much. I'm going to take you through the layout of our physical space. The layout of the physical space should be considered. This allows arrangement of shared space for the storage of curricular materials, teaching supplies, and educational material in a centralized location, so that when you are going to search for the materials, it's going to be easy for you, because you're going to find it easily, thereby freeing up space within the well-designed workshop to be used for other activities. So I'm going to take you through plant technology. Sorry for the font color, but it's okay. During the planning and building design phase, schools should consider the technology advancement and future technological needs of the school. Workshop needs plenty of duplex electrical outlets. The equipment that will be used to determine if any high voltage are needed. Consider the wiring and capability needed for the various schools. Provide for computer